This shows how to install the power supply. This is what you'll get. This one was our first one with white, but we changed it to black wire and red wire. So this is what you get in the box for your power supply if you have a clock. This shows what will be on your truck. This will be power supply to the truck. This will be the harness for the clock. It'll have 4 wires, but the bottom 2 will be a black and red if you have one from ours, a WILLpowered harness, or the standard clock still has a black with some stripes and a red with some dots, something like that, but it'll be obvious. So you'll disconnect that. What you need to do is depin the bottom 2 wires. If you have a small screwdriver like this, go from the front and it does take a little bit of practice, but just press down on that little tab to get rid of that. There you go. So you'll pull these out, and these will be left dangling. You'll take our harness and the black wire, and it'll be black and red from the power supply. Goes on the left, depending on how you're looking at it. Go in until you hear a click. And then the red will go on the right. Sometimes if you're not sure if it's in there good, you take a pair of needle nose pliers and pull from the front. Then what you want to do is take the 2 wires that you pulled from your clock. These will be dangling, and the red will go on the right of this 2 pin, and the black will go on the left there. So you'll see it'll be all lined up. So you do have to depin, but it's plug and play. You'll be able to disconnect this and pull out your clock if you wanted to.